Hi, it's Jen. I know the last unboxing was a little on the bougie side. This one's a bit more relatable. We are going to be unboxing a new Rebecca Minkoff bag that I got a great Black Friday deal on. My husband has already upcycled the box into a bunny hideout, so we still have the bag, right? That counts. This is the Morning After 2.0 Satchel. Now, the original Morning After bag was very popular in the mid-2000s, most notably carried by celebrities Hayden, Panettiere, and Lindsay Lohan. I thought it looked really cool, and I loved that they're doing a new iteration of the bag, so I saw it on the website and I just had to get it. It's very securely packaged here. Ooh. I got it in the color Caramello, and it's sort of like a dark tan. I love this color, and it has gold hardware. I'm really excited about this. The reason I wanted to film this is because I really have not seen any reviews or unboxings of this particular handbag, and I think it's going to meet a lot of my needs for a daily carry. Ooh. Okay. Wow, this has some serious styrofoam action here. Okay. Well, all right, let's try to get some of this off. I mean, this is some serious packaging here. This is a leather bag with top rolled handles and an adjustable detachable strap, so you can wear it in a number of different ways, and that's what really excited me about the MAB 2.0 Satchel. This is crazy. Wait, can I unsnap this? Oh, here we go. Okay, so I guess this is how the straps can adjust. It's got these snaps on the handle. Pretty cool. Okay, so you can slide this part of the handle up and down the strap and then snap it into place. Let's go over some of the specs of the Morning After Bag 2.0 Satchel. 100% leather, mixed metal hardware, 13 inches wide by 9 inches tall by 6 inches deep, 19-inch adjustable strap, zipper closure, 2 exterior front zip pockets, 1 exterior back slip pocket with magnetic snap, 1 interior back zip pocket, 1 interior front slip pocket. If you like pockets, this bag is probably for you. I also really like that this bag is trendy without being too trendy. Like, I feel like this isn't gonna be a one-season fad. I like the gold hardware. I feel like it looks sort of effortlessly chic, like you can kind of carry it around and you're cool without trying too hard, if you get those sort of vibes. The back slip pocket, I love purses that have a back slip pocket. Sometimes I just have to like slip something like my phone or like a parking slip in there for like a few minutes or something. So I love having easy access to one pocket. I also really love that this can be a top handle bag, it can be a shoulder bag, or a crossbody bag. And these connectors here, so you can either hook it to this bottom ring or you can hook it to the adjustable strap here. There's just so many ways you can wear this bag, and I feel like it's great for many different occasions. I think it would be great for any season. I'm really excited because I currently have a Kate Spade bucket bag, and I do like it, but sometimes it can be kind of a pain to get things in and out of it. So I've seen people sort of carry it like with the top handle with the strap hanging down like this. You know, I'm just going places, whatever. This bag has so many pockets. Oh, is this a pocket? Oh, I thought this was just decorative, but this is actually a pocket here. I would say the lining is sort of a twill canvas type material. It's pretty sturdy, but it is not a leather interior. It's got this zip pocket. This is like pockets galore here. It has 2 zip pockets on either side. I mean, how much stuff? Okay, so the pockets on the front, these side front pockets, they don't go back into the bag. They go like kind of just on the surface here, just so you know. Because I thought the pockets would kind of just go more into the bag. Let's take a look inside the bag. I'm really excited about this, guys. And I love that it's easy to get in and out of. I was actually looking at the Longchamp La Pliage City Totes. I really love the look of this line, and they're made of coated canvas. They're a little more understated than the Louis Vuitton bags, but I absolutely think they're a more affordable version of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull if you're looking for a cheaper dupe of that. The only thing I don't like about that particular style is that it had a flap over the zipper, and I think that would drive me crazy. So I love that the Rebecca Minkoff Morning After Bag 2.0 just has like a zip top, very easy. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. I was not expecting that. Inside the bag, very cool. Okay, tons of wrapping inside. All right, we'll save this stuff for a little bit later. Price-wise, this bag retails for $428, but I have noticed Rebecca Minkoff has a lot of sales on the website. I got a great deal. I paid $224, plus I got RAKUTEN cash back of $6, so I technically paid like $218. So that's about half off, or 50% the retail price. So I feel like this is a pretty good deal. Big silica gel packet here. I like how they put packing stuff over the tag of the bag. Let's take a good look at the inside here. Really nice lining here, full lining. It's got a zipper pocket on one side, and I like that there's this leather detail here. And I love the leather binding they put at the top of this slip pocket. The bag is well structured. You actually don't really need anything in it, and it keeps its shape very well. If I can get to it, I'll try to include some mod shots so you can see me carrying the bag in different ways. So you can actually attach this clasp here to this bottom D-ring. So you can have this sort of look. It does sort of scrunch the bag up here, but if you like that kind of slouchy look, you can do that. But then you can also undo it. Ooh, and there are some very nice domed purse feet on the bottom. I love purse feet, and I think a lot of purses could benefit from having purse feet, because when you're putting them down on surfaces, it just helps to protect the bottom of the bag a little bit better. Let's try to adjust the strap and make it a little bit longer. Undo all these snaps here. All right. Oh, okay, yeah, you can really make this pretty long here. I'm really liking these snap adjusters here. I think it looks great, and you don't have one of those like pesky hanging pieces coming out of one side. Attach this here. Then you've got a really nice crossbody or shoulder bag, depending on what you want. But I think this is a really good length so far. Let's try to put this on crossbody here. Yeah, really comfortable. Fits kind of well up against your body. So you could do that, or you could wear it as a shoulder bag. This is almost kind of like a mini duffel bag. And then you could also carry it like this. But really great bag. I think it's great quality, especially for the price. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Rebecca Minkoff Morning After Bag 2.0 Satchel. Is this something you're interested in, or you've been eyeing for a while? Let me know down below in the comments. I think this is going to be a great all-around daily carry handbag for me, and I'm very excited to start using it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and if you're not subscribed yet, join me as I do a Louis Vuitton experiment and see whether 3 small leather goods I've purchased from the famed French fashion house will go up in value, or whether they will be a total flop. Anyways, I'm Jen, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.